Day 21. Debt, debt.
빚, 채무, 남에게 진 신세,
Debtor.
채무자,
Brunel was imprisoned for several months because of his debt. Due, due.
무엇 하기로 되어 있는, 도착 예정인, 만기가 된, 무엇에 기인하는, 적합한, 회비,
He's due to go on a business trip to Europe this weekend. The electricity bill is due on July 3rd. The game was postponed due to rain. He often failed to pay his dues. Duty, duty.
의무, 직무, 세금,
Duty free.
면세의, 면세로,
As citizens, we have several duties to carry out. Render, render.
무엇을 어떠한 상태로 만들다, 도움 등을 주다, 제공하다,
The flood rendered hundreds of people homeless. Render assistance to victims of the earthquake. Surrender, surrender.
항복하다, 넘겨주다, 양도하다, 항복, 양도, 포기,
They surrendered to the enemy after years of fighting. Rent, rent.
임대료, 집세, 사용료, 임대하다, 빌려주다, 빌리다,
Rental.
사용료, 임대료, 임대, 임대물, 임대의,
When is the rent due? Add, add.
추가하다, 더하다, 덧붙여 말하다,
Addition.
첨가, 첨가물, 덧셈,
Additional.
추가의, 부가의,
Additionally.
게다가, 추가적으로,
Powerful features have been added to this version. In addition to discounts, they offer a free gift. An additional tax. Edit, edit.
편집하다,
Editor.
편집자,
Addition.
간행물의 판,
Editorial.
사설, 편집의,
An edited version of a film. When can I get the latest edition? Dictate, dictate.
받아쓰게 하다, 명령하다,
Dictator.
독재자,
Dictation.
받아쓰기, 명령,
You can dictate a text message to this AI speaker. Addiction, addiction.
중독, 열중,
Addict,
중독자,
addict,
중독되게 하다,
addicted,
중독된,
addictive.
중독의, 중독성의,
The predictors of children's media addiction. Caffeine addicts. He kicked the habit of drinking before he became addicted. Contradict, contradict.
반박하다, 무엇과 모순되다,
Contradiction,
모순, 반박,
contradictory.
진술, 정보 등이 모순되는,
They contradict each other all the time. There's a contradiction between your behavior and your principles. Dedicate, dedicate.
시간, 노력 등을 바치다, 헌신하다,
Dedicated,
헌신적인,
dedication.
헌신, 헌납,
She dedicates much of her time to teaching students. A dedicated public servant. indicate, indicate,
가리키다, 지적하다, 암시하다,
indication,
표시,
indicator.
지표, 지수,
His silence indicates disapproval. Index, index,
색인, 목록, 지표, 지수,
use the index at the back of the book. A consumer price index. Domain, domain,
활동, 관심 등의 영역, 범위, 소유지, 도메인,
Mobile games were once the domain of younger people, but not anymore. The territory was placed under the government's domain. Domestic, domestic,
국내의, 가정의, 가정적인,
domestically,
국내에서, 가정적으로,
domesticate,
동물을 사육하다, 길들이다,
gross domestic product. We try to divide domestic chores fairly, although I do more of them. That cheese is imported, but this one is produced domestically. Dominate, dominate,
지배하다, 다스리다, 두드러지다, 우세하다,
dominant,
지배적인, 우세한, 우성의,
dominance,
권세, 우월함, 우성,
domination,
지배, 통치, 우세,
He didn't intend to dominate the group. They just liked his ideas, so he became the natural leader. My favorite basketball players usually dominate every game they're in. The dominant language in this area of Belgium is German. Predominant, predominant,
두드러진, 현저한, 지배적인, 우세한,
predominantly,
대부분, 주로,
predominate,
수, 양적으로 지배적이다, 우세하다,
The predominant factors in the size of the crop each year are the temperature and rainfall of the area. Tall redwood and pine trees predominate in Northern California. Donate, donate,
기부하다, 기증하다,
donation,
기부, 기증,
donor,
기부자, 장기 등의 기증자,
He agreed to donate his kidney. Our company has made large donations to charities. An organ donor. Anecdote, anecdote.
일화,
He told us interesting anecdotes about his youth. Dose, dose.
약의 1회분 복용량, 투여량, 누구에게 투여하다,
Do not exceed the recommended dose of this medicine. Day 22. Conduct, conduct,
조사, 연구 등을 수행하다, 실시하다, 이끌다, 지휘하다,
conduct, conduct,
처신, 행위, 수행,
conductor,
지휘자, 열차 등의 차장,
The second interview will be conducted in English. Conduct an orchestra. A strict code of conduct. Educate, educate,
교육하다, 가르치다,
education,
교육,
educational,
교육의, 교육적인,
educator,
교육자, 교사,
We must educate students about environmental issues. Elementary education is compulsory in most countries. Deduct, deduct,
빼다, 공제하다,
deduction.
공제,
Taxes are deducted from my monthly salary. Deduce, deduce,
추론하다, 연역하다,
deduction.
추론, 연역법,
From the size of this footprint, we deduced that the criminal was an adult male. Induce, induce,
설득하여 무엇하게 하다, 야기하다, 귀납하다,
induction.
도입, 유발, 귀납법,
Inducement.
권유, 유도,
What induced them to give such a large donation? Introduce, introduce,
소개하다, 도입하다,
introduction.
소개, 도입, 책의 서론,
Can you introduce your sister to me? I would like to recommend introducing FlexTime. The introduction of foreign capital. Reduce, reduce,
감소시키다, 낮추다,
reduction.
감소, 축소,
How do you reduce stress? Technological advances have led to a dramatic reduction in the cost of processing and transmitting information. Electric, electric,
전기의, 전기로 작동하는,
electricity,
전기, 전류,
electrical.
전기의,
Before I change the light bulb, shouldn't the electricity be turned off? Absolutely. If you're not careful, you can get an electric shock. Electronic, electronic,
전자의, 전자공학의,
electronics,
전자공학, 전자제품,
electron.
전자,
These electronic products use a lot of electricity. Equal, equal,
수, 양, 기회 등이 같은, 평등한, 무엇과 같다, 무엇에 필적하다,
equally,
동등하게, 평등하게,
equality,
평등,
equate,
동일시하다,
equation,
방정식,
equator.
적도,
The principle of equal opportunity. Our Constitution is based on the equality of all individuals. Equivalent, equivalent,
양, 가치 등이 동등한, 대등한, 무엇에 상당하는, 동등한 것,
The cost of the damage caused by the typhoon was equivalent to about $1 million. Adequate, adequate,
충분한, 적당한, 괜찮은,
there was adequate evidence to back up their claim. Identify, identify,
신원, 사실 등을 확인하다, 동일시하다,
identity,
신원, 정체성, 동일함,
identification,
신분증명서, 신원 확인,
identical.
동일한,
This data will be sufficient to identify the robbers. Customs can reveal the identity of a society. Your passport is acceptable for identification. Identical twins. Essence, essence,
본질, 핵심, 원액,
essential,
필수적인, 본질적인,
essentially,
본질적으로, 본래,
This film contains the essence of Eastern culture. Vitamins are essential for proper physical development. Absent, absent,
결석한, 결근한,
absent, absent,
결석하다, 결근하다,
absence.
결석, 부재,
He was absent from the meeting. Present, present,
출석하고 있는, 현재의,
present, present,
주다, 제출하다, 나타내다, 보여주다,
present, present,
선물, 현재,
presence,
출석, 참석,
presentation.
제출, 발표, 설명,
None of them were present. I'm very happy to present this award. Estimate, estimate,
평가하다, 추정하다, 견적하다,
estimate, estimate,
평가, 추정, 견적,
estimation.
판단, 평가, 평가치,
The amount of damage is estimated to be 1 billion won. The mechanic gave us an estimate for the repairs. Overestimate, overestimate,
과대평가하다, 과대평가,
I think you are overestimating his abilities. Esteem, esteem,
존경하다, 존중하다, 존경, 경의,
she is held in great esteem by those who know her well. Fable, fable,
우화,
fabulous,
기막히게 멋진, 엄청난,
Aesop's Fables. We met on a fabulous spring day. Fate, fate,
운명, 숙명,
fatal,
치명적인, 결정적인, 중대한,
no one knows what his or her fate may be. A fatal wound. Fame, fame,
명성, 평판,
famous,
유명한,
infamous.
악명 높은,
He began to appear on TV as his fame spread. The famous woman's photo was in the newspaper. Yes, she caught the infamous bank robber. Infant, infant,
유아, 걷기 이전에 갓난아기, 유아의, 초기의,
infancy.
유아기, 초기,
Human newborn infants also show a strong preference for sweet liquids. The project is still in its infancy. Confess, confess,
범죄, 잘못 등을 인정하다, 시인하다, 고백하다,
confession.
자백, 고백,
I don't know why he confessed to a crime that he didn't commit. Professional, professional,
전문적인, 프로의, 직업의, 전문가, 직업인, 프로 선수,
profess,
주장하다, 공언하다,
professor,
교수,
profession.
직업, 공언, 선언,
You can get professional advice from the company. He professed to be a strong believer in the idea. Day 23. Manufacture, manufacture,
제조하다, 생산하다, 꾸며내다, 제조, 생산,
manufacturer.
제조업자, 제작사,
What sort of products do you manufacture? Facility, facility.
시설, 설비, 특질, 기능, 건물, 장소, 재능,
Facilitate,
가능하게 하다, 용이하게 하다,
facile,
술술하는, 안이한, 손쉬운,
public facilities. She has a great facility for playing the piano. Faculty, faculty.
대학의 학부, 교수진, 재능, 능력,
The university has an excellent faculty. Factor, factor.
요소, 요인,
We have to consider all the factors. Factual, factual.
사실에 입각한, 사실적인,
The soldier gave a factual account of the war. Effect, effect.
효과, 영향, 결과,
Effective,
효과적인, 법 등의 시행이 시작되는,
effectively.
효과적으로,
Our advice had no effect on him. An effective medical treatment. Affect, affect.
영향을 미치다,
Affection,
정, 애정,
affectionate,
애정 있는,
effective.
정서적인,
It is easier to affect children's behavior by being kind and affectionate than by being harsh. Defect, defect.
결점, 결함,
Defective.
결함이 있는,
His job is to look for defects in the devices. If you find a defective product, let us know. Deficient, deficient.
부족한, 모자라는, 결함이 있는,
Deficit,
적자, 결손,
deficiency.
부족, 결핍, 결함,
This diet is deficient in proteins and fat. Rats display an immediate liking for salt when they experience a salt deficiency. Efficient, efficient.
능률적인, 효율적인,
Efficiency.
능률, 효율,
To improve the efficiency of the manufacturing process, we need to develop more efficient technologies. Proficient, proficient.
숙달된, 능숙한,
Proficiency.
숙달, 능숙,
Gloria is very proficient at her job now. Sufficient, sufficient.
충분한,
Human beings need sufficient sleep. Fiction, fiction.
소설, 꾸며낸 이야기, 허구,
Fictional.
지어낸, 허구적인,
Is that book fiction or nonfiction? His stories seem to be more fictional than factual. Figure, figure.
숫자, 수치, 돈의 액수, 중요한 인물, 모양, 사람의 모습, 중요한 부분을 차지하다, 무엇이라고 생각하다,
Figurative.
비유적인,
The strong sales figures in the report surprised almost everyone present. Charlie Chaplin is a famous figure in American comedy. Alexander Graham Bell, the inventor of the telephone, figured prominently in the development of education for the deaf. Did you figure out how to fix the washing machine? Profit, profit.
금전상의 이익, 수익, 이득, 이점, 어디에 득이 되다, 이익을 얻다,
Profitable.
이익이 되는, 유익한,
The profits from his business have decreased. It was a profitable investment. Benefit, benefit.
이익, 이점, 수당, 혜택, 어디에 득이 되다, 득을 보다,
Beneficial.
유익한, 유리한,
The benefits of the idea were easy to see. Claim unemployment benefits. Laughter is beneficial to your health. Qualify, qualify.
자격을 얻다, 권한을 주다,
Qualification.
자격, 자질, 자격증명서,
Qualified.
자격 있는, 적임의,
Do you think he will qualify for the program? Yes, he meets all the qualifications. Satisfy, satisfy.
만족시키다, 충족시키다,
Satisfaction,
만족, 만족감,
satisfactory.
충분한, 만족스러운,
He is quite satisfied with his income. The results of his test seem to be satisfactory. Affair, affair.
일, 활동, 사건, 스캔들,
The ambassador and I discussed international affairs. False, false.
거짓의, 가짜의, 그릇된, 틀린,
Falsehood.
거짓말, 허위,
The witness gave a false statement about the incident. A false report. Fail, fail.
실패하다, 낙제하다, 낙제시키다, 실패, 낙제,
Failure.
실패, 실패자,
The attempt failed in the end. The business failed to make a profit. This failure taught me a good lesson. Fault, fault.
잘못, 과실, 결점,
Faulty.
결점이 있는, 잘못된, 그릇된,
Faultless.
결점이 없는, 흠잡을 데 없는,
He always finds fault with my cooking. Fare, fare.
교통기관의 요금, 운임,
I have just enough money for the taxi fare. A one-way fare. Farewell, farewell.
작별, 작별 인사, 이별의, 송별의,
He waved farewell to his friend. A farewell speech. Welfare, welfare.
행복, 번영, 복지, 복리후생,
The government should improve the current welfare system. Day 24. Defend, defend.
방어하다, 옹호하다, 변호하다,
Defendant,
피고인,
defense.
방어, 옹호, 변호,
Defensive.
방어의, 방어적인,
How can the defendant defend himself against such charges? National defense. Defensive weapons. Offend, offend.
화나게 하다, 불쾌감을 주다. 위반하다. 죄를 범하다.
Offense.
위반, 범죄, 무례.
Offensive.
화나게 하는, 불쾌한, 공격의, 공격적인.
I am sorry if I have offended you. An offense is considered a crime only when it violates the law. Prefer. Prefer.
무엇을 더 좋아하다.
Preference.
선호, 선호하는 것.
Preferable.
더 좋은, 더 잘 맞는.
I prefer staying home to going out. Our musical preferences are very different. Refer. Refer.
언급하다, 지칭하다, 참조하다.
Reference.
언급, 지칭, 참조, 참고, 추천서.
He asked us not to refer to his past mistakes. Please refer to the attached document. There are some cultures that can be referred to as people who live outside of time. Confer. Confer.
의논하다, 협의하다, 수여하다.
Conference.
회담, 회의, 협의회.
She asked for more time to confer with her client. A press conference. Infer. Infer.
추론하다, 추정하다.
Inference.
추론, 추정.
From the evidence, we can infer that he is innocent. Indifferent. Indifferent.
무관심한, 사심이 없는.
Indifference.
무관심, 냉담.
How can you be indifferent to the suffering of starving people? Many people have an indifference to politics. Fertile. Fertile.
땅이 기름진, 비옥한. 많이 낳는, 생식 능력이 있는.
Fertilize.
무엇을 수정시키다. 땅을 비옥하게 하다.
Fertilizer.
화학 비료,
Fertility.
비옥함, 다산.
Overuse of chemical fertilizers makes fertile land barren. Confident. Confident.
확신하고 있는, 자신만만한.
Confidence.
신뢰, 확신, 자신감.
Confide.
비밀을 털어놓다.
Confidential.
1급 비밀의, 기밀의.
She is confident that she will be the winner. He lacks confidence in everything he does. Faith. Faith.
신뢰, 믿음. 신념, 신앙.
Faithful.
충실한, 신의가 두터운. 사실대로의.
I have faith that he will help me. She remained faithful to her religious beliefs. Defy. Defy.
권위 등에 반항하다. 법률 등을 무시하다.
The soldier defied the order of his commander. Final. Final.
최종적인, 최후의, 마지막의, 최후의 것, 결승, 기말고사.
Finally.
마침내, 최종적으로.
The final decision is up to us. After a long delay, the plane finally left. Finance. Finance.
재정, 재무, 자금. 자본을 제공하다. 자금을 융통하다.
Financial.
재정의, 재무의.
She is in charge of the company's finance. They hope to receive financial aid from the bank. confine, confine.
한정하다, 제한하다, 가두다.
Let's confine today's discussion to this matter. John was confined to bed due to illness. Refine, refine.
정제하다, 개선하다, 다듬다.
Refined,
정제된, 개선된, 세련된.
refinement.
정제, 개선, 세련됨.
The process of refining oil. Here is a refined version of my earlier proposal. Define, define.
규정하다, 한정하다, 정의하다.
Definition,
정의,
definite.
명확한, 확실한, 확정된.
Definitely.
틀림없이.
Defining the word love is almost impossible. Some questions have no definite answer. Infinite, infinite.
무한한,
Infinity,
무한, 무궁, 무한대.
you need infinite patience for this job. Reflect, reflect.
반사하다, 비치다, 반영하다, 숙고하다.
Reflection,
반사, 반영, 숙고.
my face was reflected in the bathroom mirror. The results of the survey reflect public opinion. You should reflect on your mistakes. Flexible, flexible.
융통성 있는, 탄력적인, 구부리기 쉬운, 유연한.
Flexibility,
융통성, 탄력성, 유연성.
a flexible personality. Flexible working hours. Children's bodies are more flexible than those of adults. Conflict, conflict.
대립하다, 충돌하다.
Conflict, conflict.
대립, 충돌, 갈등, 분쟁.
This evidence conflicts with the witness's statement. Mental conflict. How do you handle conflict? Inflict, inflict.
고통이나 타격을 가하다, 벌등을 주다.
Humankind has inflicted great harm on the environment.